What up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am back inside the 0900 Civic that I built, that I started this channel with. I want to give you guys a quick update because you guys are wondering what happened to the 8th gen content. Like,
and you know this, man,
what happened to it? Like, we want it back, we miss the car, like we want more of the 8th gen instead of the 9th gen. And I understand where you're coming from. I completely understand where you're coming from, guys. But I'm here today to give you guys a update on everything, what's going to happen, whether it be more 8th gen content coming out in the future, or whether this car completely leaves the channel. And I want to clear up some things, guys, because I know you guys are rocking with me, you know what I'm saying, with the 8th gen content, and now that 9th gen has steadily creeped inside your life. You're wondering, yeah, I like the 9th gen, but I'm here for the 8th gen. And I completely understand where you're coming from, guys. But welcome back to another video, guys. I'm going to explain everything, like I mean everything. So number one thing we're going to start off with is, why did I leave the 8th gen? Mainly because I wanted something new, and I just got tired of put it in park, put it in drive, put it in park, put it in drive.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
that's too damn bad.
If you understand where I'm coming from, if you know where I'm coming from, you guys should know where I'm coming from. I wanted to go to a manual, guys, and that's what I chose. I chose the other side.
No!
The other side. Now, the other side, sometimes I do miss the automatic, not gonna lie, but that's what I want to do, and I just stuck with it and said, yes, I want a manual. So I got the manual, I gave the car away, but I not like put it up for sale. I let my dad take over the payments and everything because I still owe money on this car. Get ready to get this car back, you can pay me the remaining balance. I said, cool, because I have plans for the Civic, guys. Like, I have plans, like this Civic's coming back better than ever, but I have big plans for the Civic because I actually missed the 8th gen content.
Okay.
I don't know, because I just felt it was, I don't know, I had more of a connection with the 8th gen because this was basically the first car I ever modified. Getting myself familiar with like parts and what this do and what this don't do and what happens if you do this and that. Like, I really start getting that connection because, and also the 8th gen, the Civics in general are easy to modify and easy to learn on, and I really had that connection with the 8th gen. When I jumped to the 9th gen, it was like a whole different beast because it was really different components and stuff. Same thing, but bigger engine and stuff like that. But who cares? We're not talking about the 9th gen, we're talking about the 8th gen. So, but guys, yes, the 8th gen is coming back, guys. I missed this car so bad because it was so fun to modify to the point where, I don't know, like I reached like a cap. Like, do I really want to do anything else? Or, and I was like, I can wide body it, I can do this and that, but do I really want to do anything else to it? Because at that particular time, I didn't have the money, the funds to wide body it. I wanted to do a manual swap, didn't have the funds to do that. But if I saved that money up, could I did it? Of course, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted to go do something else. I want to go to a different direction of another community, and I went to the 9th gen because, hey, I love Honda. I want to stay in the Honda community, but I just want to move up to another community, if you understand what I'm saying, another generation. So that's what I did. So that's the reason why I left. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to drive a manual. Glad that I did get away for a while so I can experience new things, a better car, a faster car, because this car is kind of slow, not gonna lie. But I love it. I loved it. Even though it was my modified car, always my show car, even though I try to do a little engine work, like putting a short ram intake. That's a little engine work to me, but I try to get a little bit of more speed, but I should have got a tune to even feel the difference. But yes, guys, I wanted to do something different, get into a different car, and I did that. And I was thinking, like, man, I want this 8th gen back in my life.
Somewhere deep down in my heart.
And I don't know when I'm gonna get it back in my life, but it's coming pretty soon, guys. I'm trying to get everything situated, get everything lined up so I can really get this car back in my life and we can start modifying it, because I'm really thinking about tracking this car. I'm like, you gonna track a slow car? Not really. So it's 3 important things I want to do to this car if I get it back. I want to time attack the car, but it got to be a major thing, have to go. I have to switch it to a manual transmission, put a bigger engine in it, maybe a K20 or maybe a K24. Either way, I want something more powerful if I'm going to track this car. And of course, all the mods, all this will go away, strip the back out, new seats and everything like that. So that's my biggest plans I want to do to the Civic is I want to track the car. Even though I can track the 9th gen Civic, but right now the 9th gen Civic is at a current state where it's still getting built, so I'm really gonna put more time in that, making that a show car, where the 8th gen is much easier to build, parts and everything. It's more of a smaller car, compact car to me, where it feel like it needs to be on a track somewhere. So that's what I want to do, guys. I just want to come out here and give you guys a quick update, like what happened to the 8th gen. Like, it's coming back for sure. Like, I did not abandon it like I abandoned a child or something. Like, I want this car back. You want this car back. So it's coming back. It's coming. Hold on. It's coming. So yes, guys, that's all I want to tell you guys. Give you guys a quick update. What's going on? What's the features? What happened to the 8th gen content? But it's coming back very soon. But yes, guys, that's all I have for today, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. But yes, guys, I am gone for the day. You know the saying, legit is out.